Morning, everyone. Got my Dunkins. It's a beautiful day. Heading to the Havre, Maryland Postcard show. So why don't you come along with me to do some road tripping and postcard picking. So here we're at the Havre Community Center. Not too many cars in the parking lot today. So let's head on in. Got a bag of card stays for someone. Abby, hey Wes, they letting people in yet? Not yet.
I know.
Didn't seem like too many people in the parking lot today. That's okay. So Bob has these 3 boxes, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy them. I think there's enough value in here. Some neat stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take this box. There are these 3 boxes. Looks like $275 for these. Yeah. Got this from Butch back there. That's awesome. $45 for the set. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm videoing, so I'll send you a residual check from.
Sell it. You sell it for us.
I like that set. It's a nice set. Yeah.
Only been hit once now. It's like I'm tired of replacing it.
Well, it picked up and it emptied back out again in a couple hours. It was pretty packed in here. But it's still a good show to come to if you're in the Baltimore, D.C. area. Okay, I'm just taking a break. I was getting a shake, so I just came out to the truck and like a power bar or something. So far, I've only spent like $50. Yeah, it was like right at $50. Well, besides the $250 for the boxes from Bob, and I haven't done much filming in there, so I'll go back in and do a little bit more filming. And when I first got here this morning, man, there weren't too many people, and I kind of was getting worried for the show, but it's really filled up since. So just real quick, I bought some Art Nouveau cards from Dave. Actually, more of a trade, since he bought like $60 worth of cards, and these were $3 each. So we called it even Steven after that. And there's a couple more, but yeah, just really nice Art Nouveau, really clean condition, 1900s. I'll probably ask close to 20 per each of these. So yeah, just really nice condition. It's kind of funny. I was standing at a table and I was listening to a lady, and she said it was her first postcard show and that she had heard about it from some guy on YouTube. And I mean, I don't want to be too presumptuous, but I wonder if I was that dude from YouTube. And I think her name was Kate. I don't know. We didn't talk. I showed her that she was very interested in NASA, and I was in a quarter box that had a whole bunch of NASA stuff. And so I don't know if she ever looked through that, but hey, I might be the dude from YouTube. I don't know. Like I said, I don't want to be too presumptuous. And I was in a couple new boxes, but the table was half off every card, so I got a decent amount of cards. I'm just kind of looking through them. Some real photos. Looks like World War II military. Ocean City, New Jersey. Nope, Ocean City, Maryland shopping mall. All for $1. Some more real photos. I'm just trying to pick this up for $1. I don't know if it's going to show up. Yeah, this is $1. Look, I'm still kind of shaking. It looks like a ferry boat. I don't know if I can Google Lens that and figure it out. I don't know, but we'll take a look. Some roadside. I thought this was a pretty cool real photo. Family. Probably Italy. Yeah, it looks like Venice. I just thought it was neat. Got the pigeons. Nice family portrait there. I think this is Boulder Dam being built. I've done well with those before. Now, I think Wikiwachi has kind of softened over the years, but for $1, I'd never seen that view of the ladies on the bike. Never saw that. We got some real photos of a street view somewhere in UK for $1.50, and I think that's Pinehurst, North Carolina. Can't remember if it's Pinehurst or Southern Pines is the best one, but for $2, I think I took a chance on that one. This is something about King George V in Delft. That was $2. Real photo. Man, I'm really shakerson today. Shaky McShakerson. Would you pick that up? That's the Bava family gospel singers from Davis, West Virginia. That was $2. I've got to take a chance. This is Mexico Independence. I think that's like a $20-some card. Got it for $2. I like these exaggerated fish with a town on it. That was a couple bucks. So Lucy the elephant. I haven't seen this view before. Lucy sells pretty quickly. This is I got that for $2.50. So I thought that was pretty good. I'm taking it. This is the most expensive card I bought. That is Pawpaw Lake, Michigan. I did a quick comp, and some of the Pawpaw Lake, Michigan cards can go for over $100. So that was $5. And then just some quarter cards. Just nothing too special. And I'll show those on a later video. About one Continental for a quarter. Some type of bakery. So I'm gonna go back on in, see what else I can buy, and just do some videoing around the show. Since I still got the shakes, you know, I can just squeeze this can open and gobble down the spinach. Thank you, Butch, again. I don't collect too much Popeye stuff anymore, but that is definitely going on my Popeye shelf. So that's pretty awesome. It's good until, oh, I don't know when it's good till. Spinach is always good, right? Eat that from a can 10 years from now. That's awesome. Thank you again, Butch. Okay, end of the show. I usually don't buy this, but there's like 6 boxes and it was 40 bucks for all this, so I'll probably go to Whatnot with those. Picked up 2 more quarter boxes for 35 cents, or 35 cents, I wish, 35 bucks a box. So those will be coming to Whatnot also. Okay, just left. The sun's not cooperating. Just left the show. It's hot. Truck says it's like 93. So I had to stop. Sometimes it's just a double Dunkin' day. Nice cool drink there. Only gonna show you 2 cards because I do have a long drive home. Looky. If you know, you know. $2.50 for that card. And then a pretty cool Wiley Camps from Yellowstone. So another card. I think that was 5. So I paid up for that one. Pretty good show. Bought a couple boxes there at the end. Tried to buy Mary Martin's quarter boxes, but she wasn't selling. So next time. Okay, everybody, if you're within an hour of Havre de Grace, Maryland, you need to go to the Havre de Grace Postcard Show. They are moving it next year. It's going to be downtown, I guess the old high school building. They're going to have it downtown, and there's some other stuff going on at the same time. There'll be food trucks. So it sounds like a much better location. So we'll, maybe not in August, but maybe next year. So, but yeah, you got to come to the Havre de Grace show. It's not a huge show, 10 dealers maybe, but there's always good stuff, and I found it today. So that's about it. I'm heading home. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope your picking's good.